In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the summation of story points from subtasks in Jira. This process will help streamline your project management by automatically updating the main task story points based on subtasks, ensuring your workflow reflects accurate, up-to-date information without manual intervention. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up with ease. First, we'll need to navigate to the right area within Jira. Start by clicking on the Settings button, which you can find at the top right of your Jira dashboard. From there, click on System. This is where all your configuration settings live. Once you're in the System area, look for the Global Automation section. Your next move will be to click on Create Rule. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new automation rule within Jira, which will serve as the backbone for our automation. The first thing we need to configure for our new rule is its trigger. Click on New Trigger, then choose Field Value Changed. When prompted, you'll be choosing a specific field, story points, as the one to monitor for changes. This means our automation will kick in whenever there's a change in the story points for any of the issues. After setting the trigger, click Next to proceed. To ensure our rule only applies to pertinent issues, we'll add a condition. This involves selecting the issue field condition and setting it to issue type. Then you'll select subtask as the value for this condition. By doing this, you're telling Jira to only apply this rule to issues that are subtasks. Once you have this condition in place, click on Next. Now we'll add a branch to the rule, hit Add a Branch and select Branch Rule of Related Issues. Choose Parent and then click Next. This step is crucial because it directs Jira to apply the subsequent actions to the parent issue of the subtasks where the story points change. Next, we need to define what action should be taken when the rule is triggered. Click on Add Action and select Edit Issue. In the field to set, choose Story Points. Now in the Story Points text box, we'll use a smart value. Paste Issued Subtask Story Points Sum into this box. This smart value ensures that all the story points across the subtasks are totaled and updated onto the parent task's story points field. After setting your action, click Next. The final step in this setup is to activate the rule. Click on Turn on Rule and don't forget to give your rule a descriptive name that you'll be able to recognize later. And there you have it, you've successfully automated the process of summing up story points from subtasks in Jira. This automation will save time, reduce manual errors, and keep your project metrics accurate and consistent. Happy Jira managing!